Okay, I'm using my test student account, and so that I can look at this from the student side. And I should have done that first, so I apologize for the confusion. So what you do to get to your wiki then, or to be able to create your wiki, is you want to mouse over courses and groups. And notice now that you've been added to a group, you have an Innovations Mini Teach. So you just mouse on over here and click that. And when you first do it, I've done this a couple of times just to play around. It's going to have you set up your communication settings just like you did when you first joined Canvas. So you can go ahead and go through this. So this is kind of like your own little mini Canvas. You can do announcements if you want to each other. You can see that they've already have an announcement. Nicole's already done an announcement, so that's very good. But for the assignment, you need to have created a wiki. Okay, so what I'm looking for is not the announcement post, but I'm looking that you have actually got a wiki up and going and that you have made a post to it. So you do that. Notice I just clicked add one, and I will call this Orasma. That's going to be the name. That's the cool 3D app that you can use for all kinds of cool uses in the classroom. Your students create videos, and there's ways that they get targeted with iPads and iPhones to make them come up automatically. So it's a really nice feature. You put that in. Now you just type text. Let's say I want a link here too, a Rasma link. And let me look for one really quickly. So Orasma, and I'll just grab that link. Of course, that's going to be in the way. So that didn't work so well. Let's say I got it. Let's say I had the link. I'm going to highlight that. And once I highlight the word, if I click on that link button, then I can right click and I can copy whatever I had, and it'll put the URL in here. I then type insert link. Obviously this one's not going to work, and you can see it turns the word blue, so people will know that you have links. Another thing you can do, you want to get your files and your images uploaded. That whatever you're going to be using here, you need to already have uploaded. So upload an image, choose a file. These are some I've taken of the Hackerspace Sin Shop. It's our area where they can make furniture and things like that. Click upload, and it's going to put it into the wiki automatically. You can click on it and then use the arrow. You can keep making it smaller and smaller until it's the size you want. It can take a few times, especially if it's a real big. Always suggest the corner so that you keep the aspect ratio. That's what that's called. And you can move that around, you know, wherever you want. If you want it centered, you can center it or get it back to the left. Or if you want it right justified, you just highlight it, and there you go. You can also put in videos. You can just upload it directly from here. So that's nice, another file. Or you can have uploaded it from the files. And notice when that happens, I'm going to go ahead and leave this page. If I go to files, it's going to be in there as well. So that's another place. If you want to just, if you're not sure how you want your page to look at, or you don't know where you want to put the things, you can go ahead and just at least get them up in there, right? You know what you want to use, you just don't know how you want to design it. So you can go ahead and add the files from here, and that way when you get to the pages, and I didn't save it, so that's why it went away. By the way, this is not a Google Docs. So whatever you do, right, this is just text. When you are done, when you have a thing you like, you don't want to lose it, make sure you hit that save button. Otherwise, it's not going, if you leave the page, it's not going to save. That's why it gave me that warning. Now to be able to edit, I have to hit edit again. Now I'm back to the editing feature. I can add whatever I want. Only members, what you need to do is this needs to be, we don't want it to be anyone, but we do want everyone to save it. So we'll just go ahead and remember only members. You don't want others to mess up with your stuff. I'm going to hit save again. So that's the wiki page. And like I said, remember, you'll know that you obviously not in edit because you don't have that nice little menu options up here. Again, this is where you're going to make that first post for the assignment. Everyone needs to make a post here just so I see that you know where it is and how to access it. So again, courses, Innovations Mini Teach, and that'll get you right to your own group. Now, once I have all the links, once everybody has their wikis made, I'm going to share those links with everybody. There'll be 7 of them. So I'll share those with you so you can comment once the innovations are done, and you can see how everything looks. All right, please again let me know if you have any questions.